Hello everyone, this is Curtis in the kitchen cooking again. That's right, I'm finna fix a meal here tonight. What I'm gonna fix tonight is I'm gonna have a grilled chicken breast. Some of these right here, as you can see, these here, can I say these right here? They're frozen, but I had another package that I had one left, one chicken breast left, so I took it out of there and I grilled it. And it was over in my oven here. I'm going to get it out here in a minute, but let me go ahead and put these back up. I just wanted to share this with y'all. So, and what else I'm gonna have a tomato. I'm gonna fix this tomato in here, and I'm gonna fix a salad with the chicken breast. As you can see, this right here is the lettuce here that I have right here. So, got the lettuce, got tomatoes, and we got some of these apples that I'm gonna be using right here. So, let me get this salad together here. So, what I'm gonna have to do right now is I'm gonna take one of these apples and I'm just gonna take the apple and basically I'm gonna peel this apple and just take it right here. As you can see right here, I'm just gonna take this here, peel it with my little peeler, just peel it around, get the holes off of it, because I'm gonna use this apple to put in my salad. I like to put apples and pecan in my salad here. What it is gonna be a chicken, apple, pecan salad. That's what I'm gonna have right here. A chicken, apple, pecan salad. I like these. So just gonna peel that off there. Get it all good and peel. Because I'm gonna cut these apples up and put it in my salad. Also, I'm gonna add the tomatoes in there. So you can see I'm just basically getting this here all peeled. Just want to take this skin off of the apple so I can slice it up. I'm gonna take and throw that away. Yeah. And we got that good and peeled. A little bit more on there. Just take a little bit more off of it. And put that there. And I'm gonna take some of this here lettuce right here. As you can see, this portion right here. Just want to take this here and get some of this out of here. See if I can get it out of here. What I'm gonna do, try to see if I can get this. Let me see. Cut this here away. Let the plastic off of there, and just get some of this here. This here lettuce. I just want to take it. Actually, well, I'll take and cut some of it off. Just gonna cut a little section of that off of there for the salad. All right. So we got that, and we can just take and cut some of that up. Just gonna cut it up like that right there. Yeah, get this right in here. The salad here together. And now I have a bowl here. I'm gonna take and put that in there. Take and put this in this bowl right here, and just shuffle it around a little bit right there. And now I'm gonna take this apple and I'm gonna slice this apple up right here. And what I want to do is I want to take and put some apple pieces off into my salad. It's gonna give it that good apple flavor there. Just cut that off of there. And see. You know, it's something really simple here to fix. I mean, at home, fix your little, salad. You can fix it like you want, add what you want in there. But this is the way I fix my salads here at home. It's always good to have a good salad. It does the body good. Gotta eat some salads every now and then. Yeah, we don't need that. That's that. Throw that away. But I like to just take and cut this here up. Put that in there. Get it good. Cut up. Put these little pieces in there. So now I have this here. I'll cut up in these little apple pieces here. So I'm gonna add this into my bowl right here. Just put that in there. So I'll get some apples in there. And then I'm gonna take and if I have this tomato I need to use. So I'm gonna take this tomato. This done got real ripe, so I'm gonna add the tomato into that. Yeah, I'm gonna add this tomato in here. A piece of that. This done got real ripe. So we just wanna add that in there. Just cut it up. Little pieces. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more. This tomato. And I'm gonna, put that in there. Just add the tomato off up in there. That's gonna be good having the tomato in it. Now, I need to use this up. Now, we're gonna put that tomato in there. It's gonna be a good salad. It's gonna be really good. So we got that in there. And I don't like to eat this part right here. Still good though, but hey. Now, we got this here just shuffled around a little bit. And what I want to do is let me go here and get this. Let me take this portion off right quick, and let me rinse this here off. All right. So now I'm back, and let me get the chicken breast. Now, this here is the way the chicken breast looked after I grilled it and all. So I'm gonna take and cut that chicken breast up and add that into my into the salad here that I'm fixing. So let's just cut a little bit of this chicken breast in. See how the chicken is right here. Yeah, it's good thick chicken. So just take a little piece of that, cut it up into little pieces, and add this to your salad here. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna add this all into the salad, all of this chicken in here. So this is gonna be my chicken salad. Put plenty of chicken off in there. You can see this part right here. Working on it, just add it. Some more of that good chicken in there. So, as you can see, I'm getting everything in little pieces here. Just put that off in there into your salad. A good chicken apple salad. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take and use all of this breast here. This is gonna be a good little meal here. I'm gonna put that in there. Give me that there. My countertop's clean. Yeah, Clorox. I got a whole bottle of Clorox. I wipe this countertop on. I always want to keep a good, clean countertop. Keep your kitchen clean, especially when you're preparing food. You want everything to be clean. Well, basically keep your whole house clean. And that requires a lot of work. You have to put the work in. So, getting this breast here together. Yeah, it's got a lot of chicken off in there. And then, once you get it, I got these pecans here I'm gonna add off up in there, as you can see. So, I'm gonna sprinkle some pecans in here to my salad, as you can see right here. Pecans off up in there. Sprinkle that around. Now, you can also, once you got all of that off up in there, then you can add you some dressing on this. Let's see. I think I have some. Yeah, normally I like to take and put some of this Thousand Island on my dressing. As you can see, this Thousand Island stuff right here. Add some of that on there. Matter of fact, this in here is it's a new bottle. Let me see if I can get this one open. Yeah, let's see. If I can get it. There it is. There it is. I got it. So we're gonna add. Oh, wait a minute. Let me take this top off here. I said I had it open. I had the top open here, but it's a new bottle. So let me see if I can get that open. Yeah, see, there's a new bottle. You see there? It's got that on there. So seal. I have to take this seal up off of here. Yeah. All right, we got the seal off. So now we can take and put some of that on there. Put that Thousand Island into this salad right here. And so now that I have that, let me let me see. I was looking for me a bowl here. A little small, yeah. All right. So now I got me a bowl. This right here. So we're just gonna take with the salad. I'm just gonna take this salad right here. Stir it around. We got all the apples and pecans and tomatoes and all of that in there. So still have some more chicken if I want to add in there. So I'll put some of that Thousand Island on there. So I'm just gonna add me a little bit over here. Like this right here. And tomatoes. And it's right here. So it's a real simple salad put together. Now let's try some of it. Okay, let's try some of this here salad here. Let's see. We're gonna try a little bit of it. Okay. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. The apples, as chicken breast is tender. Mmm. 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 All right. I like this salad. I'm enjoying this. Hey y'all. Thank y'all for checking this out. Now, stay tuned. I'm gonna do some more cooking in the kitchen here. But for now, I'm finna go and finish up this salad here. So I hope y'all enjoy this cooking video. Well, I grilled the chicken breast. I grilled it and I just, had a fresh lettuce and then the tomato, then the apple. Added that in there and then put the pecan in there and then added the $1,000 on it. This here will fill you up. Good salad like this, I mean, it's good. And you can do them at home. You get a good salad when you're at home fixing you something to eat. So, like I say, yeah, I'm finna go. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be back.